Ever wonder if good posture can become automatic, like totally unconscious? You stand up, you sit down, and you're just upright by default. I got this exact question from viewer Gomu Gear 4, and the answer is actually pretty simple. You might already know the answer, but you aren't quite convinced because you haven't put the time in to make the principles work for you. So we're going to talk about how to think about this and how to make your good posture unconsciously good. So if you're ready, let's get ready to think right, move right, and feel right. So first, the simple answer is yes, good posture can become automatic and it can become your unconscious default, but it depends on what your body is practicing as the default every single day. Think about it this way. Can bad posture become automatic and unconscious? Of course it can, and it often does. Sit a kid in front of a phone or a tablet and you'll watch their naturally beautiful upright posture melt into this horrid hunchback slouch within minutes. Fast forward 10 years and that slump posture has become their new normal. And I am truly speaking from personal experience here. Your body learns whatever you practice a lot of. If you're practicing a baseball swing or a tennis stroke or a dance move, practice is going to make it perfect. It's going to make it feel automatic and unconscious. So if you spend all day craning your neck forward, your body decides, oh, I guess this is how we're gonna sit and also stand now. The good news is the opposite is also true. If you spend time each day waking up your spinal muscles, training them to get stronger, keeping your body out of a hunch, your body will start to prefer that more upright position. It literally becomes the default. But here's the catch. If you're spending 2 minutes every day doing something to improve your posture, but you spend 8 to 12 hours a day living in a hunch at a screen, guess which habit is going to win? So it's not about trying to fix your posture with one quick intervention. It's about feeding your body constant stimulus that tells it, hey, this is what we want to get good at. If you want specific exercises to improve your posture, check out my Hunchback playlist, which you'll find linked down below. And if you're ready for a full step-by-step program to help you make your posture good and automatic, be sure to check out the Hunchback Fix program on my website at uprighthealth.com/hunchback, and I'll also have a link down below. It's a program with targeted follow-along workouts that you can integrate into your day simply and easily so that you can sit, stand, and move upright. And before you go, I want to ask you a question. Do you think good posture can ever be truly effortless, or does it always require a little bit of maintenance? Drop that comment down below. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and as always, I hope you remember that pain sucks, life shouldn't.